Hey, we're going to have a look at the A minor scale in the C position. Okay, now this is pretty far up the neck here. So starting off with your pinky on the 12th fret, so your little finger, and now I've bunched up quite tight just for video purposes, but if you're actually holding the guitar up right like this, it becomes really quite easy. Okay, but I'll suffer. So, starting on that 12th, we go back to the 9th, 10th, 12th, all on the D, onto the G, we've got 9th, 10th, 12th, then we go down onto the B, 10th. Turn around on our 9th, which is the 12th fret. Okay, go through that again. So starting on the 12th on the A, okay, 7th fret, 8th fret, 12th, all on the D, 7th fret, 8th fret, 12th, that's all on the G, then 10th, 12th. Okay, now we'll start putting that together a bit. And again. All right. And again. All right. So it becomes pretty easy. It's a nice, easy pattern to play. Now, this one really comes into its own with the arpeggio. And when you do get into sweeps down the track, this is a great one. So, the arpeggio, we've got the first note, third, fifth. Okay, so that's also a nice little chord. All right, your arpeggio notes are your chord, remember. So this is another spot where you can come up with a few unique sort of sounding chords. All right, so our 7th is there on that 12th, and that's our 8th if you choose that option, or you can do the 9th by flattening your little finger there and hitting the B. So. All right. All right. What we want to do now is put that into the scale. So we're going to run it. And again. Great. So now we've got that C position, you can feel we've got our A minor now sorted around this area. Well, we had our E position here. All right. You've now got a little bridge between here and here. So if you add in these extra notes, really, you're only missing a couple from between there. So that's your bridge between the E position through to that C position. Okay? Now, what we want to do here is get a bit of speed, but also really focus on that high end. So try and hit those end notes. Get some real focus, so when you're finishing a riff or a run, okay, use those notes, use your arpeggio notes to finish on as well. So then build it in and finish on a root note. So bouncing between those on your bars, like finishing a bar on an arpeggio note and then finishing it on your root note in the second bar. Leave that one with you, and I'll see you next time.